Kishorn Insulations are the leading installers of Icynene spray foam insulation operating throughout Scotland. We offer free of charge guidance through consultations with architects, contractors, building professionals and self-builders on timber frame detailing, showing the best ways to achieve high levels of airtightness and reduced cold bridging. Icynene is a huge step forward in the evolution of insulation in Scotland, proving that homes insulated with Icynene are amongst the most energy efficient houses, built to comfortably withstand even the harshest Scottish weather. Icynene is site applied using the latest equipment by our teams of highly trained professionals. It expands into the smallest of spaces where other insulation would be impossible to fit, creating a whole house insulated barrier. Using this modern approach to insulation and airtightness, the most complex and challenging designs can easily be treated, often effortlessly exceeding passive house levels of insulation and airtightness.
I became aware of Icynene probably 4 or 5 years ago when I was working on an oak framed house, and it was a fantastic product to be using with the oak frame because of the movement within the oak and timber frame. When you compare Icynene to other products that you would be specifying otherwise, you start to look at the breathability, which is important, the health factors. It's a cost-effective solution because you're looking at not only the actual product itself, but the labour that it takes to install. And there's nothing else that we know of that gives the airtightness, rather than having to install various membranes and all sorts of other products. The actual Icynene insulation provides that itself, as long as it's installed correctly and you're using guys from Kishorn who know what they're doing.
Due to its unique properties, Icynene is the ideal insulation for new builds in Scotland and is especially well suited to timber frame construction. Icynene contains no harmful CFCs, HFCs or PCBs and is 100% open cell and 100% water blown. That gives Icynene a global warming potential index figure of 1, the lowest in its class, making for a very healthy environment for the building's occupants. This is a claim no other foam insulation can make. Icynene's 100% open cell structure means that no moisture is trapped within the building fabric. Instead, it's allowed to dry through evaporation. Contact Kishorn Insulations for a friendly discussion on how your project can achieve so much more than merely complying with current building standards. You only have one opportunity to insulate a new home properly, so with our help you can build it tight and insulate right. Using Icynene is the low-cost solution to expensive heating bills for everyone. Use Icynene. There is a difference.